Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial we will learn about how to analyze data of two-factor experiment having randomized complete block design. Before going to start my video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Statement: an agronomist conducted an experiment to study the effect of three-row spacing and phosphate on yield of maize. This experiment is conducted as laid out by RCBD design having three replications. Question: how many treatments there will be? So from the above statement we can conclude that there are two factors. One is spacing and the other is phosphate. And spacing has three levels: S1, S2 and S3. S1 stands for 45 cm row spacing, S2 stands for 90 cm row spacing, and S3 is for 135 cm row spacing. While the phosphate has two levels, 0 and 25 kg per hectare, P1 and P2. So the total treatment combination are 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6, which is given. Like from this experiment, he or she record yield data like this. So in order to analyze this data by using Statistix software, he or she need to follow the following instructions. First, arrange the data in Excel sheet like this, and then copy this data from Excel sheet. After copying the data from Excel sheet, then paste all the data into Statistix software. After this, go to Statistix and menu bar, then go to linear model and then go to analysis of variance and then select factorial design. After this kind of box will be appeared. Put all the variables into their concerned sections, like yield into dependent variable box, block into block variable, while the spacing and phosphate into treatment variable box. Then click on interaction term where select two-way and then press OK. After pressing OK, ANOVA table will be appeared. Here just check the p-value. For spacing, the p-value is more than 0.05. You can see here it is 0.2526. Thus, there is no need to apply LSD test for spacing. On the other hand, the data of ANOVA indicate that the p-value in the case of phosphate and spacing and phosphate combination is less than 0.05. Therefore, LSD can be applied for spacing and phosphate combination interaction and for phosphate only. For LSD test, go to result in menu bar and then select multiple comparison and then all pairwise comparison. The small command box will be appeared. Here put phosphate and interaction of phosphate and spacing into term selected for mean comparison box. Here. Also select homogeneous group and LSD and tick on LSD, and this value will be 0.05 and then press OK. After pressing OK, there will be two LSD tests, one for phosphate and other for interaction of phosphate and row spacing. Just draw your conclusion from this test. For the first test, this one, we can conclude that the effect of different rate of phosphate on maize yield is significant at p value 0.05 because there is two different groups A and B. Furthermore, the P1 show, this is P1, the P1 show maximum value for yield while the P2 shows minimum value for yield. While for the interaction of phosphate and row spacing, the effect is also significant because here we have different groups. You can see that we have different groups A, B and C, where the means are significantly different from one another. Furthermore, application of P1 combined with S1 recorded more yield, which was statistically same with P1, S2, P2, S3, because in the first three treatments the group is A for all the treatments. Therefore, we can say that these are statistically non-similar. Similarly, minimum grain yield is recorded for P2 and S1. You can see here that the lowest grain yield is recorded for this treatment combination. So you can draw your conclusion like this. So this is all about the two-factor ANOVA by using Statistix software. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.